Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good and keeping safe. I'm Tanu Bansal of PGP Batch 2123 at the Indian Institute of Management, Raipur. I scored a 99.31 percentile in the quantitative section of the CAT examination in 2020, so I want to help you all with some last minute tips and tricks. In my opinion, CAT is mainly about solving smartly. The questions target the fundamental basics of the subject. If your building blocks are strong, you're done. Dedicate this last week of CAT to revise the concept of mathematics. Having fresh memory of concepts and formulae will help you immensely while solving the question paper. My approach to the section was simple. It was quality over quantity. You did not attempt all the questions. Sit for a while and choose the ones you feel you can solve easily and just do that with full accuracy. My advice to you is to spend time on reading the question rather than jumping to the answer. Eliminating the incorrect option is a powerful technique that you can employ in this section. Time is a constant in exam, but try winning over that by making the most out of the time given. It is okay if you just attempt 10 questions, just make sure you answer them correctly. Accuracy is the key to success. All the very best and thank you.